Hello everyone, welcome back to another great episode of Raihana's Cuisines. Super excited to finally do the chickpea salad. A lot of you have requested the chickpea salad. I finally got to it, and it is absolutely delicious. If you want to find out how I made this chickpea salad, stay tuned. Let's get started. Revise all the ingredients. So here I have 3 cups of chickpeas that are boiled. So these are not raw. These are boiled chickpeas. I have 2 cups of sweet corn. I have 1 cup of light red kidney beans. You can use dark red if you like. I have here 1/4 of an onion. Now this salad is going to be how you like, what ingredients you like more than the others, because we the kids don't really like raw onion. I've only put a little bit in there. So if you like more onion, increase the onions in there. And again, this is my way of doing it. Lemons, and I love fresh lemon juice in this. Have 1 cup of carrots, 1 cup of celery, 2 English cucumbers. These are cubed small. An orange bell pepper, a red bell pepper, and in here, hiding all the way inside, is our yellow bell pepper. Now, I'm using all the bell peppers and a lot of other colors because I love this salad being so colorful. For our dressing, we're going to be using 5 tablespoons of olive oil, but first I'm going to add half. Then if I need, I'll add another half. In here is 5 tablespoons. I have 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. I'm going to be adding a teaspoon of fresh pureed garlic, half a teaspoon of lemongrass puree. This is completely optional. I have 1/4 of a teaspoon of cumin powder. Now I know this is not an everyday salad, but the cumin really gives it a really good taste. So again, that's optional. I have Himalayen salt that I'm using. I have half a teaspoon right now. I'll add it. I'll do my taste test. If I need to add, I'll add more. 1/4 of a teaspoon of red chili peppers, the ones that you use on a pizza, like the pepper flakes. Then here I have 1/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper. For our herbs, I'm doing mint. You can do as much as you like. I have some cilantro here, and that we're just gonna put in. We're gonna see how much we want in there because I don't want too much in there. So basically now we're just gonna start putting everything in this big bowl here. Hopefully everything's gonna fit. We're gonna mix it up. We're gonna do a taste test, and then I'm gonna tell you what this salad tastes like. All right, so our salad is ready here. Now you want to put this in the refrigerator for about an hour if you have. It's just gonna, really get all the flavors together, and it'll taste a bit more marinated, better. So quick taste test. And super tasty. The flavors, the olive oil, I decided to go with 5 tablespoons. The lemon juice, all the flavors for me is spot on. The salt is proper, the black pepper, I absolutely love the taste of this. And the best thing about this salad is that, if you, by the time you start adding little bit, it becomes a big salad. So these are great for potlucks, birthday parties, office parties. If you're taking it to mosque in Ramadan, it's an easy fast. Although I have to warn you that, yeah, you have to cut some of the, like the celery and the carrots and the bell peppers. But you can always prep ahead of time. And please try, give this a taste. The cumin in there is also a really good taste. So I absolutely loved this salad. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, share this video, and tag everybody on it so that you can help me reach 100,000 subscribers. There's a bell, hit that bell. That way you'll get a notification every time I put up a new video. And since the month of fasting or month of Ramadan is coming, I am in full force bringing you lots of videos. Also, Summer, I am going to do a whole lot of salad recipes. So thank you so much for joining me on this episode of Raihana's Cuisines. Hope you can join me here next time with another great video. See you then.